Today I want to try something new that I've been meaning to try for a while now. I tried a red lipstick a while ago and I really liked it a lot, so I wanted to try a different red. I want to try a matte red that looks a little darker. But before I get into the lipstick, I want to talk about this eyeshadow I'm wearing right now because I tried Terry Ombre Black Star. It's a cream eyeshadow. I prefer to wear cream eyeshadow, but this goes on more like a pen or a lipstick. And it's very pricey. It costs around $38 for it, which is probably the most expensive eyeshadow I've bought in cream form at least. And I like it, and I think it fits this look, but I don't think it's the best eyeshadow I've bought so far for the price. And I don't want to say it's overpriced because I haven't tried out all of the colors yet, but it does seem like this particular color, I'm not really a big fan of it. I like it for what I'm going for this particular look, but I prefer to be more flashy. I feel like for this, it will work with a matte red lipstick. So I think personally it will look good with this look. It will look good with this lipstick, but I probably wouldn't wear it with any kind of bright colors. If I want to go for more of a goth look, just a flat out goth look, but just a little bit of glam, I think this is perfect for it. I will use it again. I do like it, and did pay a lot of money for it, but not my personal favorite for the cost of it. And I don't think it's as great as the asking price, but I figured I'll mention it anyway. And also, I personally think that it would look better on someone else. So it's more of a me thing. I like it, but it would look totally better on someone else. Okay, on to the lipstick. It's CoverGirl Outlast Ultimatte, and the color itself is No Whining. Absolutely no whining. So let's put on our big girl pants and try this on. See if it lives up to its name. I was afraid it would look too dark to the point you couldn't tell it's red, but actually looks really good. It's more of a matte red, really deep. And like I said, I think it works with the eyeshadow. It looks really good. It looks good. I really like brighter colors, but for this darker look I'm going for, it looks great. So I tried one of their lipsticks before. I tried Outlast Ultimatte. Which one is this? Strawberry Spritzer. And it was one of my lipsticks I didn't actually like a lot because it was a little too pink, but I like this a lot. It doesn't stand out too much. Like I said, it matches the eyeshadow, which doesn't stand out too much as well. And it's not overpriced or anything. Let me add a little more. I like it a lot. Now it's dried up a little. It really does look good. Just make it a little deeper. Just put a little bit at the bottom. getting all in there. Perfect. Yeah, it's very subtle, and I like the subtlety in it. Yeah, I like it. It matches what I'm going for. I'll wear this again, definitely. I might make this part of my rotation, but with different eyeshadow. I think I might, because it's so dark, I think I might go a little brighter or go a little darker. I have a very good matte black eyeshadow that I think will look really good with this. So I might try it again with a different eyeshadow. I might make another video with a different eyeshadow and see how it looks like. Because I like this. It looks good, but I just think it needs a little bit more to complement the darkness of it. But yeah, I really like this. I will be revisiting this in another video. Okay, everyone. You take care.